How does mediation work in franchise litigation? I'm Doug Luther, franchisee lawyer from Luther Lanard. Most franchise agreements require that the franchisor and franchisee mediate a dispute before they ever file a lawsuit. Generally, that's a good thing. We think that allows the parties to really air their differences and see if there's a resolution possible before they spend money on litigation. But how does mediation work? Mediation is typically a one-day affair. It involves a third-party mediator who's unaffiliated with either side. That mediator's an attorney, sometimes a judge, and that mediator is going to sit with both parties and learn their stories. Now, mediations may happen via Zoom or remote, or they can happen in person. Both parties are typically put in either different Zoom rooms or different physical rooms, and the mediator bounces back and forth between each side. The first half of the mediation generally is focused on learning about the facts and the law from both sides' perspective. And the mediator will go back and forth and exchange different legal viewpoints or different factual pieces of evidence that maybe the other side doesn't know. Once the parties have a good sense of what the legal positions are, as well as what the facts are and evidence are on each side, then the mediator will typically discuss a remedy. That remedy is usually a payment of money. And so the mediator will go back and forth with different offers to see if there's a resolution possible. If we have a demand for money, which is often the case when we represent franchisees against franchisors, then we may demand, for example, $500,000. They may offer $100,000, and we'll go back and forth to see is there a number that works for all parties. Mediation can last the full day and sometimes late into the night. Most times, if mediation is unsuccessful, then we'll proceed with a lawsuit, but mediation will sometimes proceed in the days after that first day of mediation via calls to the mediator or emails to see if still a resolution is possible. Our goal of mediation is to avoid the expense and the time-consuming nature of litigation if we can, and get the best offer for you possible. If you have any questions or would like to discuss, please refer to our contact information in the description below. And if you found this content helpful, please like or subscribe to our channel.